Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, students. Hope you all are fine. Open your book at page number 10. Dear students, today we are going to discuss chapter number 2. Let's start. The name of our chapter is Kalam's Childhood. Kalam's Childhood. Education not something that happens at school alone. Your family, friends, and the environment play a crucial role in your education. Here, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former president of India, talks about his education and the year of his growing up in Rameshwaram. Dear students, education is not something that happens at school alone. Your family, your friends, and the whole environment play a very important role in your education. Here in this chapter, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former president of India, talks about his education and the year of his growing up in Rameshwaram. Dr. Awul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam was born with some inherited characteristics and trained in certain ways by figures of authority. The full form of APJ is Awul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. He was born with some inherited characteristics and also trained in certain ways by the figure of authority. Inherited character means to receive something from someone after they died. I inherited honesty and self discipline from kindness, and so did my three brothers and sister. Here, Dr. APJ says that he inherited honesty and self discipline from his three brothers and a sister. His three brothers and sister were so kind and they were very honest. So he inherited honesty and self discipline from his family, from his brothers and sister. But it was a time I spent with Jalaluddin and Shamsuddin was so intuitive and responsive non-verbal messages that I can unhesitatingly say that my later creativity owes a lot to their influence on me in my childhood. Jalaluddin and Shamsuddin were the two elder brothers of APJ Abdul Kalam. He says that it was a time when he spent with Jalaluddin and Shamsuddin was so intuitive and responsive. Jalaluddin and Shamsuddin taught him how to become responsive, how to become an honest man. So he unhesitatingly says that his later creativity owes a lot to their influence on him and his childhood. I had three close childhood friends, Ramananda Shastri, Aravindan and Shiva Prakashan. All these boys were from Orthodox Hindu Brahmin families. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad had three childhood friends, namely Ramananda Shastri, Aravindan and Shiva Prakashan. All these were the close friend of APJ. All these boys were from Orthodox Hindu Brahmin families. All these boys, that is Ramananda Shastri, Aravindan and Shiva Prakashan, belongs to the Orthodox Hindu Brahmin family, traditional strict Hindu Brahmin families. As children, none of us ever felt any differences and upbringings. As children, none of them ever felt any differences and upbringings. In fact, Ramananda Shastri was the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri, the high priest of the Rameshwaram temple. Ramananda Shastri was the son of Pakshi Lakshmana Shastri, who was the high priest of the Rameshwaram temple. There was a temple in the Rameshwaram, and Ramananda Shastri's father was the high priest in that temple. Priest means a trained person who performs services at temples or church. Later, he took over the priesthood of the Rameshwaram temple from his father. Later, Ramananda Shastri took over the priesthood of the Rameshwaram temple from his father. Aravindan went into the business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims. Aravindan went into the business of arranging transport for visiting pilgrims. Pilgrim means one who travels especially on a journey to visit sites of religious significance. And Shiva Prakashan became a catering contractor on the Southern Railways. And the third one, Shiva Prakashan became a catering Contractor means the business of providing food and related services to the people in the southern railways. Whole the small society of Rameshwaram was very rigid in terms of the segregation of different social groups. However, my science teacher Shiva Subramaniam Iyer, the unorthodox Brahmin, was something of a rebel. On the whole, the small society of Rameshwaram was rigid in terms of the segregation of different social groups. There were different social groups who lived in the village Rameshwaram. They were very rigid in terms of segregation. However, his science teacher Shiva Subramaniam Iyer, the unorthodox Brahmin, his teacher was also belongs to the Orthodox Brahmin family, belongs to the strict Brahmin family who follows old traditions and rituals. Was something of a rebel. Was something of a rebel. Rebel means a person who resists violence. He was against violence. He did his best to break social barriers so that people from varying, varying backgrounds could mingle easily. His teacher Shiva Subramaniam Iyer did his best. He did his best to break every social barrier so that people from the varying backgrounds could mingle easily. They could combine easily. He used to spend hours with me and would say, Kalam, I want you to develop so that you are on par with the highly educated people of the big cities. He used to spend hours. Kalam used to spend hours with the teacher Shiva Subramaniam Iyer and always would say that Kalam he wants him to develop so that he will be able to go far with the highly educated people of the big cities. When the Second World War was over, India's freedom was imminent. Dear students, when the Second World War was over, India's freedom was very soon. India's will their own India, declared Gandhiji. The Gandhiji declared that the India's will their own India. The people of India will their own India very soon. The whole country was filled with an unprecedented optimism. Everyone in the country, everyone was filled with a tendency to expect the best. I asked my father's permission level Rameshwaram and study at the district headquarters in Ramanathapuram. He asked his father's permission level and he asked the permission level to his father to go from the Rameshwaram and study at the district headquarters in Ramanathapuram. He wanted to go for higher studies at the district headquarters in Ramanathapuram.